Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will continue my discussion about some famous colleges of West Bengal. If you missed previous videos of this discussion, click on the I button to get the list and watch one by one. Today's discussion will be about Sri Gopal Banerjee College in Bagati. The college is named after the father of late Shib Chandra Banerjee, the well-known civil engineer of all India repute, who offered a munificent donation of land and cash to the West Bengal government to enable the latter to establish a co-educational degree college under the sponsored scheme at his native village Bagati. Bagati, the seat of the college, is located in an area that has a history of its own. The village itself is the native place of Ram Gopal Ghosh, the Demosthenes of Bengal. The legendary scholar Jagannath Tarka Panchanan lived in Triveni within a mile from the site of the college. The vast stretch of land along the Ganga from Katwa to Bangladesh, lying on the eastern fringe of Bagati, is the birthplace of Navya, the most powerful and brilliant school of Indian logic and pride of Indian scholarship. The college is located halfway between Triveni and Mogra, about a mile from both the railway stations on the Eastern Railway. It is also approachable by roads connected by buses. The college consists of three separate sections: morning, day and evening. College hours of the morning section are from 6:45 am to 12 noon. No honors course is taught in the morning section. Both boys and girls who have passed higher secondary or its equivalent are eligible. Courses offered in the morning section are General BA on Bengali, English, History, Philosophy, Political Science, Economics, Mathematics, Sanskrit, Hindi, Urdu, Geography, Education and Physical Education. General BSc on Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Botany, Zoology and Plant Protection. College hours of the day section are from 10:30 am to 5:15 pm. Honors courses are taught in the day section. Both boys and girls who have passed higher secondary or its equivalent are eligible. Examination are eligible for enrollment in these courses, subject to availability of seats, and conditions of marks are as determined by the college authority. In the day section, this college offers General BA on Bengali, English, History, Philosophy, Political Science, Economics, Mathematics, Sanskrit and Physical Education. BA Honours on Bengali, English, Sanskrit, History, Philosophy, Political Science and Economics. General BSc on Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Botany, Zoology and Plant Protection. BSc Honours on Chemistry, Physics, Mathematics, Zoology and Botany. This college also offers distant education in the day section. A study center of Netaji Subhas Open University or NSOU has been opened to provide opportunity of distance learning to those students who cannot attend classes in traditional colleges. Courses provided are BPP, BLIS, BA Honours on Bengali and History, BSc Honours on Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, Botany and Zoology, and postgraduate courses such as Bengali, English, English language teaching, History, Political Science, Education, Public Administration, Social Work or MSW, MLIS, Commerce and Mathematics. There is a provision of various types of scholarships and stipends from the Government of West Bengal to provide financial aid to the SC and ST students, Ward of Bidi Shramik, Labour Welfare, OBC students belonging to minority communities, physically handicapped students for general category, education scholarships from DPI-WB. The college runs a senior division of Army Wing Company under 43 Bengal BN NCC of West Bengal and Sikkim Directorate. ANO Professor Khokan Bhattacharya is the company commander. The main aim and objective of NCC is to develop character, discipline, leadership qualities, secular outlook, to make them better citizens and to provide employment in armed force. Students of first year degree classes, both boys and girls, are eligible for enrollment in NCC through proper selection trial. The college runs 2 National Service Scheme units under the supervision of Dr. Uttam Paul and Dr. Ruma Ghosh. Of the college NSS units involve itself in social work of different kind. The units serve various community development programs including socio-economic survey of adopted villages and organizes blood donation and health checkup camp regularly. Every student of the college can become a member of the Students' Health Home on payment of a nominal annual fee of ₹10 only. Students of the college are entitled to enjoy the benefits from the Students' Health Home. In compliance with the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court in India, an anti-ragging cell has been formed in this college to keep vigil in ensuring no incident of ragging in campus. This institution believes education as a tool of social change for correcting the accumulated distortions of the past and for achieving overall development of the students, especially for women. To bring about this change, a gender-positive initiative to facilitate development and empowerment of students and for faculty, a cell for prevention of sexual harassment has been formed in this institution following the UGC guidelines to extend equality of opportunity and gender justice. Each student of the college is issued a printed progress report which contains information about the student's performance in class test examinations of the college as well as percentage of attendance in classes. The student is required to return the progress report of the college after getting it duly signed by his or her guardian. The college common room is a place for rest and recreation for the students. There are separate common rooms for boys and girls, with provision for indoor games. The common room must not be separate any purpose that is likely to disturb the normal life and academic atmosphere of the college. The common room will be available 9 am to 12 noon for the students of morning section, 12:30 pm to 3:30 pm for the students of day section, and 4 pm to 6 pm for the students of evening section. Contact number, address, website, email and online admission link of this college is available in this video's description. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.